I wouldn't go back. For $100 an hour job, I wouldn't go back.
I've been here with my family for almost 2 years now. And the kind of love and acceptance that me and my family have been able to receive here.
Okay, so do Africans hate African Americans? Is this assertion real, or is it just a social media thing? I mean, in real life, do Africans hate African Americans? If Africans hated African Americans, then those African Americans who are relocating, to African countries will have stopped locating. By now, they will have been sending messages back home that this is the hatred, the vitriol, the vices that we've been having from these Africans. But that is not the case. Instead, their testimonies are that they've been welcomed, they've been treated well, and that they love it, in the continent, and that in fact they prefer the continent to the United States. But the taste of the pudding, they say, is in the eating. So I'll present to you real life testimonies of African Americans themselves, narrating to the world their experiences in various countries in the continent.
As an African American living in South Africa with a large platform, I think it's my responsibility to speak up and say that I don't see hate here. I have seen nothing but love and kindness from all of the people that are here in South Africa for the most part. And it's actually been so much love, so much caring and kindness from the people that are here that I relocated. I've been here with my family for almost 2 years now. And the kind of love and acceptance that me and my family have been able to receive here is nothing short of amazing. It's nothing short of miraculous how I was able to leave one country and come to another one and be completely accepted. I am so sick of the rhetoric. I'm so sick of the narrative that we are not on the same page, or we're not equally yoked, or that we're in competition with each other, because in real life, that is not the case. In real life, everything is good here. And it's not because they think that I'm different or even the same as, but just because they respect me as a human and I respect them as humans, and we all get along. Things are good here. I think that a lot of us get wrapped up in social media and start thinking that TikTok beef is real life beef, and that is not the case. This phone, this screen is not real life. The things that are going on in real life every single day are the interactions that you have. If you've never been to Africa, don't speak on how African people are. It doesn't make sense to. And even if you have you visited all 54 countries to be able to say how all of them are? And vice versa. If you over here and you ain't never been over there, why are you speaking on what you think Americans are like or what you think they do? Me and my family and most of the people I know, we don't have no problem either way, back and forth. None of the people I know that are in Africa have problems with Americans, and none of the Americans that I know have problems with people that are in Africa. We need to stop all this negativity and just come together. Like I said, shit that's behind this screen is not real. TikTok is not real. This is social media. People get paid to have beef. People get paid for more views. So of course they're going to post the nastiest things that they can think of and shit that don't even make sense just so they can get more views and get paid more on both sides. What are we fighting about? I don't even understand. What are we fighting about? Matter of fact, what are y'all fighting about? Because I ain't fighting. I'm not fighting with nobody. I love all y'all, and I feel like most of the people here love me, and I'm grateful for that. And I think that if y'all came over here or y'all went over there, we would all see that. But I don't know. That's just my 2 cents.
Come here. Okay, keep talking.
Said that Ghana is nice, and thank you for moving me here.
Wait, say it louder for the people in the back, okay? They didn't hear you. I didn't hear you.
I said, thank you for moving me to Ghana, and Ghana is nice. And
What?
I like it.
You like it? Why do you like it so much? What has really sparked your interest?
The school and like the people are nice, and like the discipline is real.
The discipline is real? Okay.
And I
So,
like
So you like the discipline? Why? What do you feel like is like? You like how your teachers are?
I like how they do it.
You like how they do it? Okay.
And I'm learning better than I was learning.
Wow. You guys, I promise I did not beg her to say this. This is out her own mouth. She just randomly said to me, like, Mom, I love you so much. I said, okay, I love you too, honey. She said, thank you for bringing me to Ghana. What? So for all the people who think that this country just is like the worst.
It's actually nice. It's not like y'all people see it as y'all see it on TV, like as if it's dirty and like it's not boring. Like y'all think it's just like boring, like how y'all see it on TV. Television is fake.
Mm-hmm.
Ghana here is very nice. Like they have stuff that's fun. Y'all just see stuff. Y'all just go wherever y'all want to see off TV.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all go and run with something. And that's why I talk about it. But Ghana is nice. Like the region is nice.
Yeah.
And I'm celebrating my birthday.
Okay.
When you just leave Kenya and you back in at home, you back in the States, and all I could think of is, I don't want to be here. I want to go back to where I was at. I want to go back to where I feel like I belong. I don't belong here. I don't want to be here. I want to go back to Kenya. I want to go back to Kenya so bad. And it's only been one day. I don't belong here. I want to go back. Can somebody please send me back to Kenya? Please, please. I don't want to be here. I'm only here because I have to go to work. But I don't want to be here. That's all I could think of. I don't want to. I'm going back home. Kenya is my new home.